Alright, today we're going to do a little review on the new Harbor Freight Hercules Ultra Torque impact wrench. I just bought this. I have to do some axle bearings on this truck Ram 2500. So it says it has 1,500 foot-pounds of torque, 20 volt, 4-mode selector, auto shut off, bolt removal mode, and this one comes with the battery, 5 amp hours, and the multi-volt fast charger. This one's a half inch impact, so we'll unbox it here. Get the battery plugged in. We will unbox it and see what we got. I've always used air operated impact wrenches, but mine is broken, so I figured I'd try this one. Comes with a charger, which I'm sure you've seen. 5 amp hour battery. Now I was just gonna buy the gun for 190 bucks, but to get this battery and this charger is another 120 separately, so it was actually cheaper to buy the kit than it was to just buy the gun separately. So first thoughts is it's really heavy, really heavy, but beefy. See if there's a charge on these things. 2. Alright, we'll go charge it up a little bit and then we'll try this. Try getting that nut off. It's inch and 5/16. It should be a good test of if this gun can do it. As I'm waiting for that battery to charge, I'll get this thing ready. Like I said, it's got a 1/2 inch socket adapter. This nut should be inch and 5/16. Looks like I need a millimeter, but I think it'll be good enough. Hopefully that gun will do it. Alright, I'm gonna go get the battery. Close enough, probably. I had another battery from a different tool, so I'm gonna try that one. Took that right off. That's wicked cool. That was like 15 seconds. You can see the size of that nut too. That's a inch and 5/16. Pittsburgh impact sockets. Really easy. This little kit was $250, but I didn't even see the modes here. There's a mode bolt. I didn't even have it on the bolt remover mode. It worked awesome. Highly recommend. Super nice. Now to fix the wheel bearing on this truck, let's take a little look at this socket set. This one's on clearance right now for Harbor Freight. Just a 1/2 inch drive. Inch all the way to 1.5 inches. They're pretty nicely made, very thick. That is this set right here. And then I just bought the adapter because these are 3/4 inch drive, and then that's the gun. So I just got done removing the wheel bearing off this Dodge Ram, and I just wanted to show you a few things that this impact wrench from Harbor Freight, this Hercules impact wrench had. It's got this setting down here. It lets you switch 1, 2, 3 and bolt removal, it's called. 1's slowest, 2's faster, 3's faster, and bolt removal is full torque and speed, and then as soon as the bolts remove, it slows down automatically. And that's the one I was using on the wheel bolts here, which were a super pain in the butt. These two right here did not want to come out. I had to put heat on them, but I still have this on the back of it, and it finally worked itself out. But overall, there's no way I could have done this without the impact wrench. I had already broken an extension trying to get those bolts off, so it was a little bit of work, but definitely highly recommend this brushless impact wrench from Harbor Freight. This one I think is $250. It is $250, and it comes with a charger and a 5 amp hour battery. This isn't the battery it came with. I had this one. But really good tool, a little bit heavy, but definitely highly recommend. Please, if you have any questions, please just ask in the comments, and like and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel if you got anything useful out of this. Catch you on the next one.